And I wanted to share another kind of strange food item that I found, and this I don't even think is available anymore. I'm kind of late to coming to it. To be honest, I had bought it a while ago and I put it on my desk and I kind of forgot about it, and I was also kind of scared because I didn't know if I wanted to try eating it. But I wanted to show it to you guys. It's this, let me get it here, it's a little noisy. It's this Frito-Lay Pepsi flavored snack. Go figure, right? And it's just Shuwa Shuwa, which is like the sound of the bubbles of soda. So I think the thing that you have to first put into your head, now it's made by Frito-Lay, so you know that it's like a snacky kind of thing, like potato chips. But the thing you kind of have to remember is that just because it's made by Frito-Lay doesn't mean that it's salty. There's quite a few things here that are really sweet based. It's kind of like a corn puff, but then it's like sweet. So caramel flavored, things like that have lots of different kinds of flavors out there. You know, you expect always when you see something like that, it's going to taste like Cheetos and it's going to be cheesy. And they do have those, but then they also have this whole line of things, and it changes with the seasons. Like fall right now, there's stuff that's like mottled flavored and or chestnut flavored, I should say. And then also they have stuff that you know, strawberry, those kinds of things. Obviously green tea is a really common flavor, so having something that tastes like cola is really probably not going to be salty. I don't know, I'm going to open it up and see. But it is a collaboration with Pepsi. I think they're officially connected anyway. I don't know. I grew up in a Coca-Cola family, so I don't know. A little blasphemy, eating something like this. But yeah, so we do have stuff though that makes bubbly feeling in your mouth when you're eating it, so I'm hoping it's not too weird. Let's try it and see. It smells like Pepsi and corn snack. I don't know. I don't know what is this based? Yeah, corn. It's weird. These look like just like Cheetos. Nah, they look just like Cheetos. They have this little weird powder on them. I can see the powder. Alright, I'll try one and see what happens. Ah! Weird. Okay, so it's like somebody just took the Cheetos before they were dipped in cheese and instead sprinkled this powder on there that tastes like Pepsi. And I suppose does have a little, it's not like bubbling crazily in my mouth, but it does have a little bit of, you know, punch to it at first when you first bite it. I think it's weird. I don't know. You know, maybe kids would like it, you know, because kids are stupid that way. That's terrible to say, but, you know, kids like things that are kind of gross sometimes. But, yeah, if you guys get a chance to try it, you know, don't pay a lot for it. You know, if you're looking at some of those sites that sell stuff that's cool from here, you know, don't pay $7 for a bag of this, because that would be a waste. But, you know, if you're here and you see it and it's like 100 yen, you might as well try it and see what you think. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Japan's really known for making snacks and things that are really, I think, generally kind of, you know, pretty classy and well thought out, and they put a lot of effort into making good flavors. But lately there's been a lot of this invasion of really strong flavors from the West, and I think maybe this was one of those things that was just kind of like, hey, let's make Pepsi flavored Cheetos, because that's cool, right? Yeah, so try it out if you guys get a chance.